Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on 31 and 32. And our prompts are even and odd. So I've got this 1 plus 1 equals 2, which is even. And I've got this 3 minus 2 equals 1, which is odd. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great day. Be sure and check out Amy's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished pockets and tags. I think they turned out cute, and it was really simple. And I just used these little bags that I have, and I added the card that says 1 plus 1 equals 2 for even. And I just embellished with a little number and butterfly. And I just made a simple tag to go in it. And with this one, got my 3 minus 2 equals 1. Added also my butterfly and number, and made a tag for this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. So until next time, bye y'all.